Before we start, if you would like to have a sneak peek on the list, check out the description below. Today we're going to share with you the best 5 air compressors available in the market. In the 5th position, we have the Senko PC1010. With a lightweight 20-pound design that features a handle for convenient portability, the Senko 1-gallon portable electric air compressor makes it easy to fill tires and other inflatables with air to keep them running smoothly using its powerful half-horsepower lubeless direct drive motor. The aluminum cylinder provides durability for long-lasting use, while the tank pressure gauge lets you keep an eye on pressure levels. At number 4, we have Makita MAC700. The Makita 2.0 horsepower air compressor is equipped with Makita big bore engineered pump cylinder and piston for higher output, less noise, and improved job site performance. The MAC700 delivers industrial power and results with improved durability under tough job site conditions. It is powered by a 2.0 horsepower motor. The Makita big bore engineered pump with cast iron cylinder has greater bore and stroke for increased compression, faster recovery, and less noise. The Porter Cable PCFP02003 bags the 3rd position on our list. The Porter Cable PCFP02003 3.5 gallon 135 PSI pancake compressor features a durable oil-free pump for long life and no maintenance. This compressor is designed with a low-amp 120-volt motor that starts easily in cold weather or with an extension cord. Even though this compressor is built for portability at 26 pounds, it still supports trim finishing nailers, small framing roofing jobs, and all general inflation, blowing, and smaller SCFM air tools. Next up at number 2, we have the DeWalt DWFP 55130. The DeWalt DWFP 55130 2.5 gallon trim compressor supports trim nailers, 15, 16, and 18 gallon, for 1 or 2 user operation. This compressor features a low 12-amp draw motor that provides easy startup and reduces breaker tripping. A durable, oil-free pump provides extended maintenance-free operation. The compressor can be operated and stored in either the vertical or horizontal position. And at the top of the list, we have the DeWalt DWFP 55126. The DeWalt DWFP 55126 6-gallon air compressor is designed with a high-efficiency motor for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord applications. This compressor has 2 universal couplers to easily support 2 users. The DWFP 55126 features a long-life oil-free pump for maintenance-free operation. The console cover protects controls and is removable to allow for easy repair. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments with us. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!